Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of language with a very important word. Our word for today is blood. It's an A2 level noun, and it means the red liquid in the body. It's that vital fluid that circulates and carries oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies. You've probably heard the word blood a lot. In everyday language, we use it to talk about health, family, and even feelings. Think of it as the life force that keeps us going. Now, let's look at some words that are similar to blood. We can use terms like lifeblood, as in the city's economy is its lifeblood, or fluid when discussing the body's internal processes. For example, we might say, the doctor is checking the patient's bodily fluid. These synonyms help us explore different contexts for the original word. Moving on to words that have the opposite meaning, well, it's hard to find an exact opposite of blood. However, we can think about words that relate to its absence. Consider words like emptiness when talking about feeling weak, which could be related to a low blood count. We can also think about absence when talking about a lack of blood in a certain area. An example might be, the absence of blood to the leg caused it to go numb, demonstrating a state in contrast to where blood is flowing normally. Now, let's think about how we use blood in everyday life. We might say something like, I need a blood test at my doctor's appointment, or my family has strong blood ties. We often talk about feeling like blood relatives when we are close to our family members. Sometimes, we also use blood to talk about feelings like it made my blood boil when referring to anger. Let's look at some usage examples. She has high blood pressure. His family is in his blood. The injury resulted in a loss of blood. He needed a blood transfusion. He donated blood at the local center. In conclusion, today we explored the word blood, an A2 level noun meaning the red liquid in the body. We looked at its meaning, how we use it in everyday life, and explored synonyms like lifeblood and fluid, and related contrasting words like emptiness and absence. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word blood with me today. Thank you so much for tuning into Hello Word. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English too. And don't forget, we would love to see your own sentences about the word blood. Share them in the comments below this video. I am excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!